Hi there, Saksham this side from ACE IPM, and in today's video we are going to do a formal batch launch for the IPM 22 preparation course. So without any further ado, let's get started. So before starting out with what is it that we have to offer, I'll just brief you as to why did we start ACE IPM in the first place and how do we differentiate ourselves from our competition. So before starting out, I must tell you that I am an IPM student myself. I am the part of the first batch of IPM at IIM Rohtak, and I'm joined by my co-founder Swapnil, who is an IIT Bombay dropout, has had a triple-digit rank in JEE Advanced, and that was in the year 2018. And in the same year, he also appeared for the SAT, which is the same exam that you will have to appear for the admission in IPM at IIM Ranchi. And he's had a score of 1580 out of 1600 in that exam too, and he's currently pursuing IPM with me. Now, the reason why we started ACE IPM, or the vision behind it, was simple. Even in our time when we were preparing for this, we faced a lot of difficulties despite being in one of the best institutes of the country, supposedly. And after getting into IPM, we figured it out that it wasn't just us. It was literally each and every person out there. And despite us being able to manage to get into IPM, we felt like there's a need that, to do something better in regards to IPM preparation. And the problem that we face, or the problem that we see over here, is that you have a lot of institutions and they certainly have more experience than we do. The problem over there is that they do not have a specialized program running just for IPM. They follow a standardized way of teaching. And by that I mean someone who's preparing for IPMAT, or someone who's preparing for CLAT for law, or someone who's preparing for hotel management per se. All of them are going to study in one single batch, and there won't be any specialization just for IPM. And the reason for that is, according to them, is that the concepts that are asked in these exams are more or less the same. Now, even though the concepts are same, the level of difficulty and the paper pattern differs widely. And you can check the same on IPM Indore's official website. You have 2 past year papers available. The questions there, despite being from the same topics, can as well go up to JEE level. And if in case you are doing generic preparation for that, it just won't suffice. And that is where ACE IPM comes into picture, because it is started by people from IPM, Shahid Sukhdev College of Business Studies, and other eminent institutions of the country. And because we have been through this journey ourselves and we know what it takes to get in, we can help you with the same. So with that being said, let's start with what is it that we have to offer in our IPM 22 preparation course. So starting out with the components of the course, I will break it down into 2 different segments. One is your stage 1 of the preparation, which is going to be your aptitude test, or the AT. The stage 2 of the preparation is going to be your pivot, which is a personal interview and written ability test. So for the stage 1 of your admission process, this is what we have to offer. Even in stage 1, you have 2 components. One is going to be your concept building part, and the other is going to be practice. Starting from the concept building part, so the first thing that we offer to you is in-depth recorded lectures for all the topics that are there in this exam. So we start from the very basics and then take you to a level which is actually required for you to clear this exam. Even for a topic like profit and loss, which is fairly easy, even for someone who's from a non-math background just like me, we have 13 lectures recorded on that, and they go on for 2.5 hours. That is the depth that we are targeting. Start from the very basics, clear your concepts first, then expose you to some of the type of questions, and then gradually take you to the short tricks which will help you save time in the actual exam, and then concluding the topic. This is the pedagogy that we follow during our course, and that is how our lectures are recorded. We have 600 plus lectures available on the portal, which you can access either through your laptop or desktop. So you have those available over here on our portal. You can access them over here. And even if you're not using your laptop, if in case you are on your smartphone, we also have an Android app available, and you can access the same content from your app. Now, this is how we deliver the lectures. But to supplement these lectures, we also have weekly live sessions. Now, in these weekly live sessions, what we cover is all your doubts, the conceptual clarity part, and also the strategy sessions. Now, what do I mean by strategy sessions? As I mentioned earlier, the importance of time, the essence of time in an exam like IPM. So knowing how to solve a question is just one part of the equation. The other part is how do you do that in the given time constraint, and that is exactly what we teach you over here with the short tricks that we have, and that are supplemented by the conceptual foundation. So we help you all with all that in our weekly live sessions. But even in that case, if in case you have a doubt on Monday, to take it to Sunday for our weekly live sessions, I don't think it is the best idea, because it creates a lot of friction in your progress of study. So in that case, we also have round the clock support for doubt solving. You can send in your doubts through WhatsApp, If in case the doubt is easy enough, we solve it then and there. If in case the doubt is fairly complex, we solve it then and there and also create video solution out of it so that you get benefited. Same goes for the conceptual clarity part. Let's suppose you watched our videos on Modulus, and for that matter, we have 20 of them. So even after watching all those 20 videos on Modulus, you feel like there's a gap that needs to be filled in, or there's something that you don't quite understand. In that case, you can let us know, and we can either take it up in the next live session or record more videos on that, because at the end of the day, it helps everyone and not just you. So we are going to be there throughout your preparation. It's not just that we deliver the content and then go back. We are going to be there throughout your IPM preparation journey. Now, all this is going to cover the concept building part. Now, when you are done with your concepts, you need to practice them, and that is equally important. And for that matter, we also have a set of 22 books which are delivered to your doorstep. These books beautifully cover all the lessons, the solved examples, and also the practice questions with alternate approaches, because knowing how to solve a question, again, is just one part of the equation. The way you solve the questions in the least amount of time possible, that is only possible when we know alternate approaches to these questions. And all of that is covered in the books, is also covered in the practice sheets that we provide. So coming to the topic of practice sheets, even after those books, so you have 5,500 plus questions to practice in these books. You also have practice sheets available on the portal in the form of PDFs. You have topic tests available, sectional tests available, and also all India national level mocks available for IPM and also for other BBA management entrances. In total, you'll get access to about 100 plus mocks, and they are a lot, and they will help you with each step of your preparation in order to benchmark your performance. How is it that you are doing, and where do you need to go? All of that is going to be covered by us. Now again, that covers your stage 1 of preparation, or stage 1 of the admission process, which is the aptitude test. What about the stage 2, which is your pivot or personal interview and written ability test? Now, just so you know, in the year 2021, I am Indore and I am Rohtak have done away with the written ability test part, and now they are just going to take in your personal interview or the VBA part, which is yet to be decided upon, because owing to the conditions that are going on in the country right now, they are not in a position to tell you well in advance, but this is something that they will decide on and let you know. But regardless of that, whatever the stage 2 will be, we will be there to help you for that as well. So all in all, anything and everything which is required for you to clear this exam is going to be a part of this package, and we will be there to guide you throughout this journey. And finally, the most important thing, you are going to be in touch with us, with the faculty, and you are in the direct touch with us, and that will help you get all your doubts cleared, not just about IPM, but whatever it may be about. And we will be there to guide you, not as a teacher, but as a brother, as a mentor. All of that is going to be available if in case you join us at ACE IPM. All in all, we provide you with a schedule, we provide you with all the guidance, all the lecturing, all the practice that will help you crack this entrance in the first attempt. So if in case you want us to be a part of your journey to IPM Indore, and if in case you want us to be your unfair advantage to getting into IPM, you can call us in the numbers given down in the description. You can also book a free counseling session with me or other faculties by going to our website and registering for the same, the link of which again is down in the description. With that being said, I conclude this video, and I hope to see you all on the other side in our batch, and we will help you crack this entrance in the first attempt. Thank you and good luck.